Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathergo. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. Hope you are ready with your books Fly High Grade 5 and now we are on chapter 11, the second last chapter of the book. Hope you all must be happy about it. Saviour of the Valley. This story is about four tourists who visited the Valley of Flowers in the Himalayas with their local guide. The guide's name was Arvind. They were amazed, they were surprised at its beauty. Then Arvind explains the secret of its beauty to them. Let's read the story to find out the secret behind its beauty. Before that, we have some monuments and they have to be matched with their names. So you will all do it. Let's read the story. Tanvi, Sukhwinder, Merlin and Gautam are touring the Valley of Flowers in the Himalayas. They are only 4 of the many tourists who visit the valley. They are amazed at the beauty of the surroundings. Arvind, their local guide, explains the secret of its beauty. So there were 4 people. This was Tanvi, Sukhwinder, Merlin and Gautam who, went on a trip and they visited this Valley of Flowers in the Himalayas and they were really surprised to see its beauty. And they were, guided with a person whose name was Arvind. Arvind, what you see now isn't the way it was a few years ago. Why, Arvind? Was it different? Arvind, it was dirty and stinking, smelling bad, because lakhs of mindless tourists would leave garbage behind. Recently, this valley and the neighboring Nanda Devi National Park have been cleared and cleaned because of the efforts of one of the forest reserve officer. So he says the beauty which you can see right now was not earlier because it was mess, smelling and a very dirty surrounding. Tanvi, who is it? Arvind, Madam Jyotsna Sitling. She not only began a repair project in this Himalaya state of Uttarakhand but also helped the Valley of Flowers to win the status of World Heritage Site. So there was a lady who was the forest officer. Her name was Jyotsna and she was really hardworking. She not only worked on the project of Himalayas, but she also helped the Valley of Himalaya to win the status of World Heritage Site. So she was the one who took efforts to get it cleaned, right? This is a matter of great pride and we announce it very proudly to all our tourists. Gautam, Arvind, can you tell us how this change came about? Arvind, Madam Sitling's work involved clearing the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. So biosphere, the part of the Earth's environment where life exists. High piles of plastic and waste which had been dumped by the tourists over the last 30 years had to be cleared out. So, we people, we go to different places and we really mess up things. So that is really bad. So similarly, few tourists, they must have gone and would have, thrown their plastic bottles and the garbage here and there. So Sukhwinder, what? 30 years of garbage has to be cleaned up. How would one person clean all that garbage? Arvind, to start with, Madam put together a group of local people. So she made a team. She then hired garbage collectors on a monthly salary of rupees 1,000 with an additional pay of rupees 5 for every bag of garbage. So now they said that this lady, she started up, she made a team. She included all the local people and then, they were paid a monthly salary of rupees 1,000 plus rupees 5 for every bag of garbage. After working for 14 months, Madam's team collected 44 tons of garbage in 1400 gunny bags. So it was all the part of the project. Tanvi, was she upset with this habit of the tourist? Arvind, not really. She was amazing. She was amazed. She wasn't really, but then she was surprised at how good people come and litter the heritage. I remember her laughing and saying, friends, the collected garbage matches the surrounding mountains in their height. So there was so much of, garbage and it had it was peaks and piles of garbage. Was the rubbish burnt? Arvind says, no, it wasn't burnt. That's bad for our environment. The garbage wasn't burnt or buried. Instead, it was sent to Delhi for recycling, for reuse. Apart from this, Madam Sitling gave importance to medicinal plants Not only this, she, gave importance to the medicinal plants and herbs and traditional crops in our area. This improved the economy of the hills. So, when you start preserving them, you can then start off sending it to different territories, different states, and this adds to the economy of the state, of the hills, and helps to prevent poaching. Poaching is illegal killing of animals and illegal uprooting of herbs from the forest. Groups of local people were also encouraged to preserve their culture and appreciate their environment. Those who had killed animals earlier, they started protecting animals because now they earned well from other jobs that the madam had created for them. So see how smart and how intelligent she was. She, you know, took took in confidence all the local people, and then she got them engaged with some work wherein on the other hand they were giving good salaries. So the people now, instead of hunting animals, they started protecting them. Gautam, were they happy about it? Arvind, of course they were. Sukhwinder, wow, she deserves a prize for all this. Arvind, oh yes, the forest department's great effort was first recognized in 2004 when Madam Sitling was given a state award on June 5, the World Environment Day. So the government did not skip it off. They acknowledged her efforts and she was awarded. Merlin, Arvind, earlier you mentioned this place now enjoys the status of World Heritage Site. How did that happen? So he said, कि now it is one of the best places that for the tourist and it is now the World Heritage Site. But how did this happen? Arvind, well, long months of hard work started to bear fruit when the region showed signs of improvement and a new beginning. On July 14, 2005, Madam Sitling was informed that the Valley of Flowers National Park was being awarded World Heritage status. So again, in 2005, she was again, awarded. She was again appreciated. Her efforts were again acknowledged. This global award has helped Uttarakhand attract more national and international tourists and also receive funds to protect its environment further. So, the people who used to visit, definitely when you have tourists at a place, you really get to add on to your economy. So, this is how, they used to get funds for procuring it, for taking care of it. Tanvi, wow, I think she deserves another award. Arvind, yes, and for her outstanding efforts in 2007, Madam Sitling received the Indira Gandhi Paryavaran Puraskar, India's highest environmental honor. So she was acknowledged thrice, right? First was in, where is that? Yes, first was, we need to note this down. Then the first award was in 2004. The second was in 2005. And then next was in 2007. She was given the highest environmental honor award, Indira Gandhi Paryavaran Puraskar. I remember her telling us our special experiment has shown that there's nothing which can't be achieved if we choose to work together, no matter what the difficulties are. So if you work in a team, if you all are determined, then you will definitely get success. Gautam, wow, what a difference one person has made. Our suffering planet needs many more people like Jyotsna Sitling to make its environment beautiful, just like this one. So Gautam added to this by saying that, this lady had really worked for the heritage and we need to have more people like Jyotsna who can take care of the environment and, the environment, the heritage, so that we have beautiful India, right? So it's a beautiful story we've read. Now let's come to the exercise. Choose the word opposite to the meaning of damage. Damage, opposite is, very good, repair. Which of the following words is correctly spelled? Which is the correct spelling of Uttarakhand? Yes, C1. Which part has an error? They are amazed at the beauty of the surroundings. No error. We have an extract. Based on it, we need to answer the questions. Who put together a group of local people? It was Madam Jyotsna. Very good. How much garbage was collected after 14 months? Was it 44 tons or 40 tons? Let me check. It was 44 tons and 1400 gunny bags. Dash was also the part of the project. The local people were also the part of the project. Let's see. I was also the part of the project. So Arvind was the part of the project. Madam hired garbage collectors. Yes, true. Next, what wasn't burnt or buried? So it was the garbage which wasn't buried. It was sent to Delhi for recycling. Group of people were encouraged to preserve hmm, their culture and appreciate their environment. People had not killed animals earlier. No, false. They earlier killed the animals, but then after some time they stopped killing them and they started protecting them. Why did the people begin to protect animals while they had killed them earlier? The people started protecting the animals because now they were being paid well, and they could meet their desires and they could meet their needs because now they were getting the salary, and earlier they never got any salary, so they used to earn by killing the animals. Take the correct option. How many tourists were there? It was 4. Who held the Valley of Flowers to win status of World Heritage? Very good, Madam Jyotsna. When did Madam receive a state award? So it was in which year? State award, I think. Let's check. The state award. Yes, it was in June 5th June 2004. Yes, 5th June 2004. When was the Valley of Flowers being awarded? Valley of Flowers being awarded. Let's check. It was 14th July 2005. Next, we have the fill in the blanks. Madam Sitling work involved clearing the garbage. Dash years of garbage had to be cleared up. It was how many years? How many years? 30 years of garbage. Madam Sitling hired dash collectors, garbage collectors, for a monthly salary of rupees 1000 with an additional pay of rupees 5 for every bag. Madam Sitling gave importance to, medicinal plants, rare herbs and traditional crops. Next, we have the question answers. How did Sitling get the mountain of garbage cleared? So she made a team of the local people living in that area. And then, she started this project of getting the area cleaned. And she used to pay a salary of 1000 to them and 5 rupees per bag. This is the matter of great pride. What does this refer to? Okay, it was, I think, the Nanda Devi one, right? So it was the World Heritage Site, Valley of Flowers. Okay. To win the status of World Heritage Site was a matter of great pride. So what is the correct answer? World Heritage Site. What was done with all the garbage? So when they collected 44 tons of garbage, they sent it to Delhi for recycling. How did Sitling manage to prevent people from killing animals? What she did, she made a team of the local people, and then, she used to ask them to clean the area, and on the other hand, they used to get a salary. So this is how she stopped, the animals being hunted and killed. What are the awards Sitling received for her efforts? So there were 3 awards in 2004, 2005, and if I'm not wrong, it was 2005, 2004 and 2007, and the biggest achievement was the environmental honor, which was the highest environmental honor, Indira Gandhi Paryavaran Puraskar. How can you tell that Jyotsna Sitling has a good sense of humor? There is some wrong. It is not humor. There must be something else. So, we all could find that, yes, she was a great person and she had a great sense of, not humor, but a great sense of responsibility. She was a great citizen because She was the one who put an effort to get the area cleared, and she involved the local people into it, and she paid them well. So that was all about the story. Hope you all loved it. Read the story once again. Go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.